Georgia Governor Brian Kemp and emergency management leaders gathered at the state capitol today to talk about storm preparations. And
WSAV's Archie Seshadri has the latest now from our Georgia Capitol newsroom.
Governor Brian Kemp says the state is proactive in allocating resources for Hurricane Ian.
There's some models that show it may sit for a while, which could create an incredible rain event, so we're certainly watching that.
We do have some pre-positioned assets around the state, basic essentials, so we keep those on ready at all times. For this particular event, because it's so widespread, it's going to cover most of South Georgia there.
The state's insurance commissioner says take pictures of your valuables for insurance purposes and have a plan ready to evacuate just in case.
Safeguarding important documents that cannot be repaired, birth certificates, things of that nature that are not easily replaceable, precious photographs.
The state's insurance commissioner says if you already don't have flood insurance, it's too late to get it now because the policy has to be in place for at least 30 days before you can file a claim. But he does say that it's important to understand the different types of insurances available, whether that's homeowners, rental insurance, flood insurance, to make sure that you are properly protected in case of a future tropical storm or hurricane.
This storm is going to have effects all across our state, initially in South Georgia, in this area where we're the most concerned.
Governor Kemp says the National Guard is on standby and will be deployed as needed.
So we feel really good about where we are, but Georgians should know that we're going to be proactive and make sure that we're planning ahead, and we also want them just to be storm ready.
Archie Seshadri, WSAV News 3 on your side.